In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Aliexpress promo or coupon code 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to collect coupons, apply them correctly, and stack them where possible so you pay the lowest price. Start by opening the Aliexpress app or the website and make sure you're logged into your account. Discounts are tied to your account, so if you're browsing logged out, coupons won't attach at checkout. It also helps to confirm your region and currency are set correctly, since some offers are region specific. Before you check out, collect your savings. There are a few types you can use. AliExpress coupons are site-wide and issued by the platform. Seller coupons are provided by individual stores and only work on their items. Select coupons apply to specific categories or events, and promo codes are typed in manually at payment. To gather them, go to Account, then Coupons, or tap Get Coupons from the home page. You can also clip coupons on product and store pages. Always read the terms. Look for minimum spend, valid dates, eligible products, and region notes. Many coupons are limited time or quantity limited, so claim them early. Now add your product to the cart, choose the correct color, size, and quantity, then tap Add to cart or buy now. Keep minimum spend in mind. You may need to add an extra item or adjust quantity to meet a threshold. Platform coupons often stack with seller or select coupons, but only on eligible items. If your cart mixes items from different stores, seller coupons apply per store order. Head to checkout by opening your cart, selecting the items you want, and tapping checkout. On the checkout page, AliExpress will automatically apply the best eligible coupons. You'll see them listed under AliExpress coupon, seller coupon, and select coupon. If you don't see a discount, the item might not meet the terms, the coupon could be expired, or the spend requirement isn't met. Try updating quantity or removing ineligible items. If you have a promo code, find the promo code field on the payment page, tap enter code, paste or type it, and tap apply. Codes are usually case sensitive. Avoid extra spaces. If it doesn't work, check for region limits, expiration, or minimum spend. You generally can't use two platform promo codes at once, but you can combine one code with seller or select coupons. Finally, review your total, confirm discounts appear, check shipping and tax, choose your payment method, and tap